Hello again, 50 State students. Let's continue working on our Northeast Region notebook. We're getting lots of stuff in it. It's looking good. Let's keep going. There's, I think, 2 more things to do. All right, today we're doing culture. So that means what people do, how people are there in that region of the United States. And for this, we're talking about what people do for fun, what kind of food people like, and then also just the people that are there. So you're going to have this sheet. Now you're going to think of this in terms of like a little file. So this will be the cover of the file. And then it's going to go food. So you'll cut out that one just like this around there. You're going to cut out, oh, I'm sorry, fun. Then you'll cut out food. Now you're not going to cut out these shady areas, okay? You're going to cut around those. And then people, the same thing. So after you're done with that, you're going to make a book like this. It's a little confusing, but once you start, it's not too bad. So when you cut it out, your culture page will look just like that, just a rectangle. Your food page will look like this. Can you see that? All right. So you have a little tab on the top. That's why I called it a file. And then your people will be like that. Okay, so you're going to put them together, so then when it's all together, you have these tabs that show you what this little book is about. Okay, so then you staple it on the side. Now for food, I put a few things that I found when I looked up on Google the food that people eat in the Northeast region. Now, of course, they probably eat a lot of food like we do, but some special things from there are baked beans, Boston baked beans they call them, clam chowder, they live right by the ocean, lobster stew, because we know that lobsters are very important there, and Boston cream pie. Now, you can use those or you can find your own. All right, for fun, this was a little trickier to figure out, but here's some ideas. They went to see waterfalls, like Niagara Falls. There's whale watching, which we don't have in Michigan because we don't have any oceans, and colored tours, which is when people drive around and look at the changing leaves and the trees, and in the Northeast region, they are beautiful. I've never been there, but I've seen pictures. Last, there were just some interesting facts about people. There are a lot of Amish people in Pennsylvania. And then I thought it was interesting that basketball was invented in the Northeast region, and so was volleyball. Now you might find some different facts, and that's totally fine. It's up to you as long as it has to do with the Northeast region. Then you put glue on the back, just like we do for all the other things. Would help if I opened my glue, probably. And then this is pretty small, so it can probably share a page with culture if you would like, or you can share a page with something else. Glue it right on. And there you go. There's our landmarks. There's our culture. And that's how you do the culture little booklet. Okay, thanks. Have fun.